So far, in all the apps that we have seen, the user interface has been very plain, dull, and drab to look at. Now, in this section, we will see how we can add some vibrancy to the user interface by adding colors, maybe styles and themes, and also examine the use of graphics, specifically 2D graphics, for designing the user interfaces. Using the techniques that we're going to look at next, we can take an application like this and turn it into something like this. Now, the interesting features include the use of different colors. So the user interface looks a lot more brighter at this point, and also the use of image buttons on the screen. Now, you can see that we have colors that we have used for the toolbars here. We have colors that we have used to highlight the various messages, and we have used an image instead of text for the buttons. And all these become feasible with the use of colors, styles, themes, and also graphics. So how do we apply colors? We can use colors that are already provided by the Android framework, or we can define our own colors as resources in terms of their RGB values, and these can be then applied to any component on the user interface. Styles are a collection of properties that can be applied to any view that we use on the UI. Themes are styles that are applied to an entire activity or to an entire application. So using this, we can then design the user interface with a lot more colorful appearance and also a consistent presentation of information on the screen. In addition, the Android platform provides you with animation and graphics features that can be used to design interesting applications. In this course, we will primarily examine 2D graphics, including drawables and the use of Canvas. The remaining ones are also interesting for you to explore on your own. Getting back to our chat client application, you see the use of background colors for these messages. This is enabled by the use of drawables support in Android. The color schemes that you see here being used and some of the other features, the fact that all this is supported by a widget called as the Recycler view, this brings into focus some of the material theme aspects that we are using in this application. We will then subsequently see the design of this 2D game, which uses the support of 2D graphics that is available in Android using a canvas. So in addition, we will review a little bit of material design. Now, what is material design? If you look at the Android website, material design is defined as a comprehensive guide for visual, motion, and interaction design across platforms and devices. This is a whole lot of words to explain to you that you can design your user interface with a lot more, which is a lot more colorful, adding a lot of animations, meaningful features that make the user experience with your application a lot more valuable. In this course, we will briefly touch upon material design, in particular the use of material themes and widgets, which include Recycler view and toolbar. So we'll move off to our next exercise, where we will extend the chat client by adding colors, themes, and drawables. And also you will see the use of basic elements of material design, including the Recycler view and the toolbar.